What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about my fourth dividend payment from Exxon Mobil, ticker symbol ZOM. I'm very excited because Exxon does pay dividends quarterly. So once again, that's what we're talking about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to investing in the stock market, I've been going at it for a little bit over a year now. I really kind of started to reinvest in the stock market as of May 2020. And if you are a regular viewer of this channel, then you know that there was once a time that I was down $63,000. I'm doing pretty good right now, so I'm very excited to make this video and basically any videos from here onward because I'm finally in the green. What I'm going to do right now is show you guys my current portfolio. This is live. This is the market is currently open as I'm making this video. So you guys can see on the screen right now, my portfolio is worth $293,000. One of the things that I think is very interesting is how volatile the market is. If I show you guys basically in about an eight day period, as you can see on the screen here, my portfolio was valued at $266,000 on December the 20th, around 11 o'clock. And from that time, basically today, December the 28th, let me show you guys at the bottom of the screen, December the 28th here on my computer. So from that time, $266,000, my portfolio has gone up to $296,000, which was as of December the 28th at 6 a.m. Okay, that is a $30,000 swing, or almost a $30,000 swing, which is crazy because that occurred in 8 days and not 8 actual days of trading, obviously, right? So the stock market, as you can see, is very, very volatile. As of today, like I said, right now, this is where my portfolio is sitting, $293,215.89. Of course, it's going to be fluctuating throughout this video. But what I want to show you guys is my most recent dividend payment with Exxon Mobil. I'm super duper excited because Exxon Mobil actually pays quarterly. And this is very good. This is one of the better choices that I made when I decided to grab some shares with Exxon. I wish I would have grabbed more. I always say that about the positions that I have where I'm doing extremely well. So as you can see right now, Exxon Mobil is trading for $61.43. Once again, this is live. My current market value is $6,705.45. Overall, I am currently up 37%, which is really awesome, and it happens to be $1,836.93. Of course, that might fluctuate as I'm doing this video because, of course, this is live. But this is really exciting. I mean, I'm up 37%. If I show you guys here when I finally grab some shares with Exxon, let me see if I can show you guys here. So we'll click on orders just to show you. So I initially grabbed some shares with Exxon December 17th, 2020, as you can see there. And then I grabbed some more shares on March 15th. That was actually a dividend payment on March 15th, another dividend payment on June 10th, another dividend payment on September the 10th, and then another dividend payment on December the 10th. So I invested $4,500 way back in December 2020, and that $4,500 that I invested is now worth $6,706. So that's really, really exciting. Okay, let me show you guys my most recent dividend payment that I got, which was on December the 10th. And of course, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some more shares. So as you can see here, I got a dividend payment here on December the 10th for $94.73. At the time, I had 107 shares, and Exxon is paying 88 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $94.73. And because I have dividend reinvestment plan turned on Robinhood, which means DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some more shares for me. At the time, they were able to buy 1.5 shares for $62.55, which is higher than it's higher. This particular share that they were able to buy for $62.55 is higher than what it's trading for right now, which is $61.45 as of the making of this particular video. Listen, this never gets old for me. So a $94 payment, once again, Exxon pays quarterly. You can easily figure out what that payment amount will be monthly by dividing the $94 by 3. So it's the $31 basically a month that I'm getting from Exxon, which is very, very good. I cannot complain. Exxon has performed well for me, and I'm just insanely happy. I'm up 37%, which once again happens to be $1,038.02. Of course, it's changing as I'm talking to you guys, right? Because this is live. So my portfolio here is worth $293,000, which I'm super excited about. I have put into my Robinhood portfolio since May 2020. I have deposited $241,000 into this account. So since then, right now my portfolio is valued at $292,093. That is, I am in the green by at least $50,000. That's really, really exciting. Of course, I like to show you guys, especially for the new viewers here, that it hasn't always been a positive experience in regards to the stock market. As you can see here, I was down back in October 2020. I was down negative $63,000. And I want to show you guys that all the time, just because I want to let you know it's not always smooth sailing. I really kind of started to do better once I decided not to be a day trader, because I did not know what the hell I was doing, and day trading is very, very hard. It's a lot easier to just invest in solid companies and solid stocks and let the stock market do what it does. So it did help that this last year, basically the stock market was trying to recover because of coronavirus. And so if I show you guys my last year, my portfolio is up 31% in the last year, which is ridiculous because the stock market returns between 8 to 14% yearly. And of course, 31% is bonkers. Okay. And this is based on the last year. So this is based on basically December the 28th, 2020 to December the 28th, 2021, which is what today's date is. But I wanted to make this video to show you guys my most recent dividend payment with Exxon Mobil, which was for $94. If I show you guys the payment history as far as the dividends are concerned, you can see that the dividend payment has been increasing, every single time I've gotten a payment. So if I show you guys here dividends, the very first one was back on March 10th. So that was $89.64. The next one was up more than $1.30. And then the next payment was up more than $1 again. And then as you can see, the next payment was up more than $2, which is $94.73, which is my most recent dividend payment. I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe and go ahead and smash the thumbs up in this video. It helps the channel tremendously. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.